Hi everyone and welcome. So here we have a Modbus Serial to TCP Converter Gateway from Augmatic Technologies Private Limited, and they are the manufacturer of this gateway. Okay, so this gateway is very useful in the industry where you want to convert your Modbus serial data into Modbus TCP protocol data. Okay, so here I have Modbus serial device which is providing me temperature and humidity data on Modbus serial protocol, but I want to convert that data into Modbus TCP protocol with this gateway. Okay, so I have connected the power supply cable. You can see red and black. Here also you can see the red and black, and here we have this green and blue cable for serial connection. So the serial connection of this device goes to this gateway. Okay, and this gateway is converting Modbus serial data into Modbus TCP, and you can see this LAN cable is connected to my system, so we can able to read the Modbus serial data via Modbus TCP communication. Okay, so if you want to buy this gateway, then you can visit the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited website. You can call them on their salesperson number. Okay, and this is completely made in India product. Okay, you don't have to depend on any other Chinese country or any other Chinese product to get it on time. Okay, so this is the benefit of this made in India product. So let's see how it is going to be worked. So first of all, you have the data sheet here. Okay, technical data sheet of Modbus RTU to Modbus TCP protocol gateway, which is this one. Okay, and it is the internal circuit of this gateway. Now this gateway is basically converting Modbus serial data into Modbus TCP. So uh, this device is Modbus serial device, as you know, and this is converting. So it is having some default IP address. Okay, so that IP address you will get it from this data sheet. So the default IP address is 192.168.1.254. So let me open that. 192.168.1.254. Okay, so here it is. So this is the main configuration page of this gateway. Okay, you can configure everything for this gateway on this web page. Here you will see the current status of this gateway. Okay, RxDX, RS485, IP address, MAC address, everything. After that, if you want to change the IP address of the gateway, then you can navigate to the second page and you can change the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, DNS server, and you have to do the save and apply. After that, whatever your requirement is, you have to set it here. If you want to convert your Modbus serial data to Modbus TCP, then you have to select Modbus TCP. Okay, Modbus mode is Modbus TCP, and you have to provide the port number, Modbus TCP port 502. Okay, and then RS485 setting for port 1. So this device is only having port 1. Okay, it is having only one port, so you have to do your settings in the port 1 for your Modbus serial device. So this Modbus serial device is having a baud rate of 9600, data bits 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1. Okay, and this device is giving the data on input register. So using the IP address of this gateway and the port number which we have set here, we can connect with this gateway and we can read the input register data of this gateway. So let me show you that. Here we have to open MoreScan application. Okay, and here we have to select input register. We are going to read two data because this device is only providing two data, temperature and humidity, and the address is 2. Okay, now we will go to connection. We will click on connect. We will provide the IP address of this gateway. Okay, 192.168.1.254, and the port number which you have set here, 502. Okay, that we have to provide here, and we have to press OK, and there you go. You can see the data. Okay, the first input register is for temperature. So the surrounding atmosphere temperature is 30.3 degrees centigrade, and the humidity is 47.0% relative humidity. Okay, so this is how you can use this gateway to convert your Modbus serial data into Modbus TCP data. Okay, and here you have some tools. Okay, you can see factory default IP address, MAC address, and if you want to reboot the microcontroller, then you can click on the reboot the microcontroller. Okay, and here you can see it is continuously reading the data from my Modbus serial device, and it is providing the data here. Okay, right now temperature and humidity are very stable, so you won't see any changes here. Okay, and if you want to get the data sheet, then you can get the data sheet from our GitHub repository. I will provide you the link of our GitHub repository in the description of this video. Then you can go there and you can download the data sheet for this product. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or concern regarding this product, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Also, you can connect with the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited to get more insight about this product. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. And before closing the video, this gateway is capable to communicate with the Node-RED, okay, any SCADA like ignition SCADA, plant SCADA, General Electric SCADA. Also, this gateway is capable to communicate with the CAP server, Python, okay, lab views. You can connect any software with this gateway. You can read any serial device data with any software using this gateway, okay, via converting to TCP, Modbus TCP protocol. So I hope this thing is clear to you. So let's meet in the next video, and I will provide you the datasheet in the description of this video. Also, I'll provide you the detail of Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. You can visit their website. You can call them on their salesperson number if you have such requirement of this kind of gateway. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.